Hello students, today we will see the next topic of our chapter statistics, in which we will see what is graph. Graph is the easiest method to represent any of the raw data or to study regarding any of the analytical method or any of the analytical things or the statistics of any of the playing games or the data collected through the families or any of the properties. Same way, there are three types of graph which you have to study in class 9. That one, the first graph is named as bar graph. At first we will see that what is bar graph. Bar graph is a rectangular form of a graph in which in the graph paper we will make it in the separate line by making it in the rectangular form, such as if this is our graphical representation, this one we will suppose as y-axis and this one we will suppose as x-axis, then bar graph is represented by a rectangular line, this is, and all the bar graphs is separated by each other, is not connected to each other. Here this is another one like this. This type of graph is mainly known as bar graph. Bar graph is the rectangular form of graph which is being separated from a certain distance. Next one, this was the first. Next one that you need to study, that is histogram. What is histogram? Histogram and bar graph both are little similar but not exactly the same. Only the part difference between these are, in the histogram, all the graphs, all the rectangular graphs are connected to each other. But in the bar graph they are not connected to each other, they are being separated. Here in the histogram, suppose this is your first histograph, then another one is being connected with it only, like this. Third one is like this, fourth one will be like this, fifth one will be like this. It means if all the rectangular graph is being connected to each other, then we will call it histogram, and if these are not connected to each other, then we will call it bar graph. Next one is frequency polygon. That third one is known as frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. Frequency polygon means the simple line or polynomial. You have understood, you are knowing it from the last class. So a simple line, whichever the graph is formed using a line only, that is known as frequency polygon. Here how we will do that one? So we are joining only the midpoint of all these histographs. If we will join all the midpoint of this histograph, then this line, the line that I am drawing here, this line is known as frequency polygon. It is having the starting and end point. Just before it, whatever the difference between this, just take half of this distance, it will come here. This line will join here at the half, and this line will go this side at the half of this distance. How you will know that whether you are able to make the bar graph or histogram? Both having some similarity. Bar graph having the class mark. Class mark. If there is class mark or certain specific notice, specific name is given, then we are able to make bar graph. And if there is in place of class mark a specific name, a specific pattern, if it is given class interval, then in order to get class interval, then with the help of class interval, then we will get what? Histogram. We will make histogram. We will see some questions regarding this one, and how to solve those questions I will explain just now. Here is, I am having one question, that is, in one table it is given that there are some games and the number of children playing those games. And the number of students. First one is cricket, football, basketball and tennis. Cricket, football, basketball and tennis. 27 students is playing cricket, 36 students is playing football, and 18 students is playing basketball and 12 students is playing tennis. See here is some certain name is given, specific name is given. So we are unable to make here the histograph. So we will make here what? Bar graph. Simple way, just draw the line. Always the number or the frequency, whichever given in the lower one, whichever given in the lower column, lower row, we will write those numbers in y-axis. Y-axis is being started from 0, and if there is the lots of number, then we will take some interval or some number which will be in the certain distance. Suppose here the lowest number is 12, then 18, then 27, then 36. We can take 10, 10 also, 12, 12 also. I will take 10, 10. So 0 some point I will take 10. Use this much distance only. You write here 20, because whatever the distance is between 0 to 10, that much distance only we will take afterward also. Here it will be 30, here it will be 40. Same way. The first graph is till 27. Here it is 20. When you will make it in graph copy, you will get it nicely. Here I think it will come 7. So till here I will draw one graph. Inside this graph or below of this graph or above of this graph, you can write its name. If you want to write the inside, then you can write it CRICKET, cricket. Or you can write the same name below also. No need to write in the graph. If you are not willing to write here, you can write here cricket in just below this one. Afterward, football having the 36. This is 30. Here it would be 35, maybe 36. Then just draw here after some distance. This distance must be equal to this distance must be equal to this much. Whatever the distance of this one bar graph, the same distance we will take here also. This is for football. So for here, this one we will write here football just below of it. Afterward 18 will come here. So same way we will draw here one. This is for basketball, right here. Basketball. And the last one is for tennis, and that is till 12. It will come till here only. For here, write tennis. This way, we are able to make any of the bar graph. Now, we will see the next topic, that is histogram. How to make the histogram? Histogram is of two types mainly. Sometimes the difference between the class interval is not matching. If the class interval will be matched, then it will be easy. And if it will be not matched, then how we will make it? Just see here. I am having one question for histogram. Histogram and frequency polygon I will teach you together. Marks of some student is given 10 to 20, 20 to 30 such type. This is our table. Marks is given here 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Till 70 only it is given here. How many students got the marks between 10 to 20? That number is given. That is 7, 11, 9, 13, 16 and 4. We have to make histogram, and also we will make the frequency polygon. How to make histogram? Just remember what whatever given in the below column, that we will represent in y-axis. This way we will take, since it is starting from 10, here already the intersection point will be 0. This is y, that is x. At first we will write in the x-axis, the above one always be written in the x-axis. That means 10. Same interval we will take, we will not see there, the same interval we will take again. 0, here it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. See, the number will be in the process pen. Don't write 10 to 20, 20, 30, don't write like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, it will be same way. Now the number, the lowest one is 4, highest one is 16. We can take 4, 4, right here, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. This distance must be equal. Here also the distance must be equal. Now, from 10 to 20 we have to go till 7. 10 to 20, start from the 10 till 7 we need to go, and it will end till 20. Till 20 only. Next, 20 to 30, start from the 20 till 30 we need to go till 11. 11 will be here. This line will join here only. It will go till 30. Like this. Now 30 to 40, what is there? 9. Till 9 we have to go. It will come here. Like this. See, all are connected to each other. Next, 13. Till 13 we need to go. It will come here. Join through this line. It will go till 50. Now 50 to 60 is till 16. It will be till here. And 60 to 70 is only 4. That will be till here. This is our histogram. Now I will tell in it only that what is frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is joining the midpoint of all these histograms. 10 to 20, midpoint will be 15. It will be here. But we need to take it at the top here. For this one, 20, 30, it will come 25 here. Here 35, then 45, then 55, and at last 65. Also, we have to start and end it also. So starting point, whatever the difference is here, just do half. 10 to 20, difference is the 10 unit having the distance. So half, half of 10 is 5. So just go 5 back. 5 back. It will come here. And here also, go 5 ahead. 70 plus 5, that means 75. It will be till here. Now, join all the point, that point, and on joining those points, the line that we obtain, that is what frequency polygon. Just see here. This is the first line. Then it is in here, outward, here, this side, here, and at last this one. The rectangular size or rectangular bar that is connected to each other, that is histogram, and this line is known as frequency polygon. I think this one you have understood, and regarding this one, whatever the problem you are having, you can comment here. And for practice, you can go through your NCERT book or any of the book in which you will get this type of question. For today, this much only. Thank you.